Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Mitch again, Dumb Money Trading recap for today. I hope you guys had a great Victoria Day long weekend. Quick trading recap of what happened today. Made about just under 10% again, so my starting balance here was 4,200. Made $410 USD, so that came out to be about I guess $560 Canadian. A couple $100 a day keeps the 9 to 5 away. All right, let's get into it. So today I took a little bit of a chance. I started trading a little bit earlier, as you can see here. I made a few trades at the beginning of the day pre-market. Those didn't really pay off too much. I made about $5 there. Pretty much only paid for my transaction fees. But then the market started picking up, and we can see here I made a bunch of trades on Pixie. So right when Pixie opened at the beginning of the day, I bought this stock at $12.57. So we see here, just pulling up the chart here. Let me go to the 1 minute chart. So this is what I trade on the 1 minute chart at the very beginning of the day. So let's pull it out over here. All right. So we see here the stock opened at 11.43. I missed that, but I caught this right here. So it pushed up. I bought it at 12.57. So right when the market opened, I saw it shoot down a bit and then bounce up. And so on this bounce up, I bought it. So I picked it up at 12.57 right on the tail end here, and it shot all the way up on this very first candle to about $14. I got a little bit scared, so I took my profits almost right away, right? So what happened was I bought it at 12.57, and then what I did was I put in a stop loss of 30 cents once again. So what happened was the stock shot up so quickly that it halted, and it was so it halted right around here, 12.57. It opened and then it halted. And then when it opened, it shot all the way up to about $14 and it dropped. And so what I did, what a stop loss means is that trailing stop loss is that if the stock falls 30 cents from its current market value, whatever it is, automatically sell. And that's what I did there. And so I bought it at 12.57. I sold it at $13, and then I waited again for a dip. And so I bought it here again at $13.94, sold it at $14.64. And then as you see here, I actually reduced my share size going throughout the day. So originally I was playing with 250 shares each time. I gradually scaled down to 150 shares and then finished off trading with only 100 shares towards the end of the day around 10 o'clock there, just because I didn't want to risk losing what I've made during the early morning rush, right? And so what you do is you go in with a bigger number of shares when the risk is on and you want to take bigger positions, and then you start scaling down, which is what I did there. And so I maintained my profit margins there. I finished the day with about a $410 USD, which is about a 10% return. And you can see here, by the time it hit about 940, the stock started fading, right? And it pushed back up over here. I missed this movement here just because when the money is good and you've made your money and your profit margins, you just want to take the rest of the day off and work on your other projects. No need to continue risking your capital once you've already hit your daily goals, right? As you can see here, started with 4,200, made about $410. So it's about a 10% gain in probably about 10 minutes of actual market trading. But today I started watching the stock markets around 8 o'clock. Made a few trades here and there. Those didn't really pay off. But then when the market starts moving, that's when you want to capitalize and get the bulk of your returns. All right, guys, another 10% day in the books. Stay tuned. See you next time.